In this video, I'm going to explain you how to attend Collectiva programming contest using the application. So after downloading and installation, you start the application by double clicking the desktop icon, Collectiva contest icon. So then you will get this login screen. I think you must have received your email ID and password in your email ID. You just enter the email ID here. I am entering my email ID and password. I am entering my password. You see here, if you have installed some antivirus, just like here I have installed K7 Total Security antivirus. So it is asking whether my application can communicate in the through internet. Since this is an online test, you need to enable it. Otherwise, you won't be able to attend the test. So I give here allow. So now we get gateway of Collectiva programming contest. Here you have various options. You can find the instructions here, and you can find sample programs even before you start attending the question. You can see some video of how to attend the test. Even explanation are there. You can go and learn it, and you can start practicing the contest. So here you can see your past history, and this one is my accounts. You can fill up your address and other details later. You can, if you want, you can invite your friends. You can enter the email ID so that you can invite your friends for this contest also. Like that you can give us feedback and you can change your password. And now I am going to start the test. Let me start the test. This is the contest area. So once you entered in this contest area, your timer is going to run. So your maximum timing is 60 minutes. So now 12, 13, 14, 15 seconds elapsed. So what you need to do is that first you read the question part, which is available in this question tab, and understand what is the requirement. So for example, write a function to return the sum of first, third and fifth digits of a 5-digit number. For example, if the input is 38754, then the output should be 3 is the first digit and 7 is the third digit and 4 is the fifth digit. So they are asking to return the sum of first, third and fifth digit. So normally when we are practicing in our lab, what we do, so we used to write the function in the name of main, whereas here it is especially mentioned that we need to write the function in this signature. Say for example, int sum of odd digits long n. That means this 5-digit input will be passed as a parameter in the name of n as a long integer, and you need to calculate, you need to identify first, third and fifth digits and return the sum of that sum of the digits as integer. This is what the requirement. Once you understand the requirement, you can start writing the coding in this coding tab. So it is already containing all the function declarations. You need not bother about stdio.h, include stdio.h and math.h and all other libraries you want to include. You can straight away start the coding, and there is no need for writing the input and output statements because the input is coming as a parameter. So you need to use that parameter and you write the coding. In this case, say I write the coding. Say int, say d1 comma d3 comma d5. D5. Say d1 is nothing but n by 10,000. Okay, this is the first digit, and d3 is n by 100. Then take the remainder, and d5 is n remainder of 10. Return d1 plus d2 plus d5. I intentionally make some mistake here. Once you complete the coding, then you can start compiling here. See, click compile. See, now you get the compiler output. So it says one error. Let us not bother about the warning messages. I am looking for this error message, undefined symbol D2. So D2 is not defined like that it's saying. So what I do, see, I declare a variable D2. Okay. Now again I try to compile and run. It is successfully compiled. I need to verify whether my question is right or not. Whatever the coding I have written is right or not. So that is possible by clicking this test. So it says a test run failed. I click OK. So what we get is like this: calling sum of digits of 1 2 3 4 5. That means the for this given input 1 2 3 4 5, the expected output has not come, so it is saying failed. So in this case, you can do two things to rectify your coding. One is you can review your code by going through each and every line, and you can assume where exactly the problem could occur. The first thing what I want to verify, that I want to verify whether I get appropriate digits in D1, D3 and D5. So I want to verify using printf statement. Say printf D1 equals percentage D, say D2 D3 equals percentage D, and D5 equals percentage D, and D1 D3 D5. I put one, say backslash. I'm trying to run it. So in this way I can verify the coding. See, D1 contains 1, that is right, and D3 contains 3, that is also right, and D5 contains 5, that is also right. So I have made mistake somewhere after this statement. So that means D1 and D3. So here instead of D3 I have put D2. So here this D2 is also not necessary. So I identified my error. So there is no need for this printf statement. Again I compile it and test it. So once if it is tested for the correctness of the coding, then we will get this congratulations message. Then you click OK. Now you will be proceeded to the next question. Okay. So again you need to read the question, write the code, and you can watch the output there. And optionally in our application you can see the video training for fewer questions, and also the code, the sample code, what is the solution for the question, that is also available in the best code. You can refer that and you can make practice. Within 60 minutes you need to complete at least 6 questions to secure your certificate, and in order to get prize money of rupees 2000, you need to complete 10 questions out of 60 minutes. That's it.